All right, so the first thing you want to do to get rid of your old oil is once you put it back in here from the drain pan, you want to pour it out into your front yard. Just kidding. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of your old engine oil. So you can see I got a couple, so I'm gonna bring you along to show you what to do. Let's load it all up. All right, let's go. All right, we're here. Let's get the first one. Take it to your local Advanced Auto or Auto Parts or wherever your local auto parts store is. Hey, how you doing, man? I got some oil to get rid of.
It's oil?
Yeah.
Okay. Right down the back of 10 by the door there.
Awesome.
Now take your container with you though.
Okay, that's fine. How you doing, man? Hanging in there. Yeah. So here is the container you're gonna drop your oil into.
Just like I'm on the phone with some lady. We changed her battery.
Yeah.
It'll damage the battery. The car will damage the battery.
All right, so that one's empty. Next one is this one. Go all the way back to where the tank is. All right, and there is our tank for used oil only. Has this little opening on top. You gotta take your container, so it's not too bad. All right, let's go get the other one. Let's grab the other one. Last one. All right, here's our last one. I usually wait before I bring mine, but you can do whatever you want. Last one.
One at a time, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
It's good, son. Let me get some rags to clean that up. Alright guys, so that's how you dispose of your old engine oil. If you learned anything, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.